In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly manage redirects using the Redirect Manager feature in your site's dashboard. This process is essential to ensure that any outdated or broken links on your website smoothly guide your visitors to the correct new pages without causing confusion or frustration. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Redirect Manager, which is nestled within your site's dashboard. Once you've logged into your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu where you'll find an option labeled SEO. Click on it, and within the SEO menu, you'll uncover the URL Redirect Manager. This is your destination for managing redirects seamlessly. Once you've accessed the Redirect Manager, it's time to create a new redirect. The first step here is to click on the bright Inviting plus New Redirect button. This opens a selection menu where you'll need to choose Single Redirect. It's a straightforward way to handle single URL changes, making sure each broken link finds its way to the right place again. Next, focus on the old URL field. Here, you need to input the path of the URL that's no longer valid. For example, if you've recently removed or replaced a product page, you would enter that specific path like old product page. Take care to type this accurately, as it's crucial for understanding where your visitors are attempting to go. After successfully entering the old URL, turn your attention to the new URL field. This is where you guide traffic to its correct new home. Begin typing the name of the new existing page on your site, and a convenient drop-down list will appear. Select the correct page from this list. If you are redirecting to a page outside of your current website, simply enter the full URL of the external site to ensure accuracy. With the old and new URLs effectively linked, the next step is to save your hard work. Hit the Save button if this is your only redirect, or if you're on a roll and have more to create, opt for Save and Add Another. This nifty feature allows you to continue adding without starting from scratch each time. Finally, to bring all these changes to life, you need to publish your site. This is a crucial step because your new redirects won't be active until the site is published. By doing this, all the changes you've made are properly set into motion, ensuring your site visitors enjoy a seamless navigation experience. And that's about it. With these few simple steps, you now know how to manage redirects efficiently, keeping your website up to date and user-friendly. Remember, a well-managed site helps maintain visitor retention and enhances the overall user experience.